Hi, I'm Felicia Fox. Welcome to my channel, Food with Felicia Fox. Today is day 21 of the Carnivore Diet. So I'm gonna do 90 days carnivore and 90 days vegan and track my progress. So I thought I'd take my new selfie stick out for a walk again today. It's so hot out on day 21 and you can see the sun is kind of hazy. I believe there's a bunch of forest fires happening and it's kind of affecting the weather. I can smell smoke in the air and there's a ton of mosquitoes. So I don't think this is gonna last long. But yeah, I was working all day on a project in my house. So I thought I'd get out and get some, some forest and some green and some fresh air and some sunshine and some heat. I feel like I have bags under my eyes and I'm all greasy, but I have energy and I'm happy. That hasn't happened in a long time. So maybe this diet is helping my mood. I'm not depressed. I'm not depressed anymore, which is awesome. So I'll just keep doing what I'm doing, obviously, for the next, what is it now? A couple months yet. But yeah, I haven't lost any weight. I weighed myself today. I actually gained a pound. So I'm about 171 now, which I don't know if that's typical or not. Maybe you guys can let me know, like, how your weight loss showed up for you or not. But yeah, day 21, I'm like only 4 or 5 pounds down, and I haven't really been exercising, like walks and swings, and I should be lifting weights more. Yeah, that's a goal for this coming week, is to lift more weights. So I'll do that. But I'm really happy that I'm happy. So did that work for you? Did this diet work for you guys? Did you get happy first before any other results? That's an extraordinary result, if you ask me, because I was down for so long. But day 21, things are coming along. Last night, after I did my video, I told you guys if I was gonna eat, and I did. I ended up eating. I didn't have anything prepared, so I got a pound of ground beef from the freezer and I just put it into my cast iron pan with some bacon, and I just let that thaw out and cook up. And then I added Greek yogurt to it because I had the yogurt in my fridge. I didn't want to waste it, and it was really good. I ate all the grease and everything. It was awesome. So, and then I slept, which was really great. Did you all notice that your sleeping was better too? I'm noticing that. Although I did have a bout of insomnia, a couple of times, but I have problems with that anyway, so yeah. Anyway, so yeah, I'm walking. It's good to walk. I'm working on a little project that maybe you'll see soon about the carnivore diet. Yeah, okay. Just checking in. Hope you all are doing okay. So over and out from day 21, and I'll talk to you soon. Tomorrow, in fact.